Hello everyone, I will teach you how to make AI voice cloning for free. I will show you the installation and the steps to do it. So let's get started. First, we will go to Google and type Pinocchio. You can see on here, Pinocchio. Then just go to download Pinocchio. In this case, we are using Windows. Just download. And you can see it's downloading. Let's just wait for a moment. Okay, it's done. Uncompress. Just press the button. Okay. It's finished and you will see this window. And we will check on this, discover, and just type RBC. Here it is. So just download. In this case, I think we will just press the button, install, and let's wait. As you can see, it's step 1 from 7 steps, so it will be completed once it's in step 7. So just let's wait. You can see the progress on here. It's in step 2, it's installing some dependencies, but you just need to accept just that and wait. Okay, we have to accept this one. Okay. Not running. What happened? Okay, I think it's installed. Okay, I think it's not sure. Okay, this is the other step on here. It's still installing, I think. You can see here at the bottom. It's installing. So basically here it's installing the application. The other one, the previous one, it was installing the environment to support this application. So we are good. So just let's wait until it finish to install this one. Well, looking in the progress, you can see it's still installing, and you can see it's 33 in the steps. You can see on there is almost there. So let's wait a little more. There it is. The installation is finished. You can see on here. Okay, just press on done and launch the software. Okay, you can see it's loading. You will see this security alert, just allow access. And there it is. We have this URL. Okay. Okay, we can see that the folder is this one. So I will go there. It's let me see. Pinocchio API app. There it is. So in this case, I think I will create a folder on here, Mr. Beast. There it is. We will see if the model is loading. It's not loading. I think it's because it's missing the folder weights. It's not loading. Let me check. Sorry, I made a mistake. Creating this folder is not needed, so I will delete it. And because that folder is already created and it's on here, I added the file, the model on here, and then when refreshing voice list, you will see this one. And also we need, okay, also you can see the index file is detected automatically, so it's fine. Now we only need our sample test. Okay, I will add my sample test. This is a sample audio. You're crazy until you're successful. Then you're a genius. Subscribe and push the like button. That's it. And I need to put, okay, I think I'm gonna put, I'm gonna have the same format. Logs Mr. Beast, then sample.mp3. Okay, I think that's it. I will test it. Will convert. Okay, we will see what is happening. No such file or directory. Okay, probably this one. So I will sample p3. Okay, let me see in the command panel. It's fixed, and I will teach you how I did what I did. And you can see the error was this one, no such file, rmbpe.pt. So it was like missing this model, which is strange. But if you're in a hurry and you want to make it fast, you can use this one. The other option, crepe, you can see here crepe is for very quality, but GPU intensive, and you will see it works fine as well.
This is a sample audio. You're crazy until you're successful. Then you're genius. Subscribe and push
Okay, you
the
can see
like
it's
button.
working fine with this option, but if we choose this one, we will require this method on here. This this model. Just download the model, and then you will have to put on the this directory assets are mbpe and the model. That's what I did. And as you can see on here, I added this model, the missing model, and that's it. And when I use the button, you can see it's working fine now.
This is a sample audio. You're crazy until you're successful. Then you're genius. Subscribe and push the like
Okay, so it's
button.
working fine. So you can download any model on here. Or the other option is to create your own model with your voice. So let's go there. It's just we need audio files or of our voice. This case, I think I would search or okay, yes. Go to logs. I will paste my audio files on here. Okay, and now I will add this one. So discover test. And in the step 2, add the folder, the training folder. And that's it. So let's start. I will choose this sample rate, 40K. Okay, version B2. Okay, here the training folder. And that's it. I will press process data. And you will see it is working on behind. There it is, and process. Then step 2, I will keep using the default options. Okay, here it's processing as well. You can see in the background. It's working. It's finished. Feature done. Okay. Then say frequency, total training epochs. Here you can increase the number. It will improve the quality. But in this case, we will test with this training epochs 20. By size, I will keep that. Okay. Okay. I will press train feature index. Then train model. There it is. You can see it's working on behind. It will take some time. You can see it's generating the epochs, epochs 1, epochs 2. So until to reach epoch 20. It's finished, you can see. You can see the epoch on here. Epoch 20. So it did epoch 20 and you can see success on here. Success. Okay. So let's go to the files. I think it's on wait. Let me just check. There it is. This is our model. And we can test using a way. For example, I'm gonna use a trick because I will need another voice different than mine to test, but I will use an audio voice generated by Google. Okay, just go to this page. I will leave the link in the video description. Wait. This one. I will leave the link in the video description. And we can add, with this tool, we can generate any audio file from text. For example, I will use ChatGPT and tell me a short story. Okay, I will use this text. Okay, you can see on here. I will choose male voice, and you will see.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a heart full of adventure and a mind that craved discovery. One day, as she wandered through the dense woods on the outskirts of her village, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking key half buried in the soft earth.
We have the audio file but we have a way to download it because you can see this is just a sample test, but we can use it for our test. And in this case, I will use Chrome add-on, which is this one. Okay, and add extension. There it is, and we will record the audio file just on here.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a heart full of adventure and a mind that craved discovery. One day, as she wandered through the dense woods on the outskirts of her village, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking key
Okay,
half
that's
buried
it.
in the soft earth.
Save capture. Okay, file is ready. And okay, sample test. Okay, that's it. And then okay, I will put, I will go, you can put anywhere. In this case, I will just use this okay, sample. No worries, I will copy this address. Just go on here. We can even test it.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled
There you
between
see
rolling
it's
hills and
working that
meandering
file.
streams.
And you can see on here, this is the sample test. Okay, there it is. I think, okay, if we refresh the voice list, you will see the generated one. Let's test first with Mr. Beast, just for testing purposes. And let's test.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a heart full of adventure and a mind that craved discovery. One day, as she wandered through the dense woods on the outskirts of her village, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking key half buried in the soft earth.
It works. It works fine with Mr. Beast. Now I will test with my own voice model and let's see how it works. I think, let me check. Yes, the index file is it's matching with a chosen voice model. So let's convert it. There it is.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a heart full of adventure and a mind that craved discovery. One day, as she wandered through the dense woods on the outskirts of her village, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking key half buried in the soft earth.
It's amazing. It's working fine, as you can see, and it's working. So glad to know. So we cloned our voice, and with this tool we can use any text. So any text to audio and using our voice and add to your videos or some podcast. I think it's working fine.